why did you keep holding it?
Why isn't it? What's going on with it?
It's too big.
It'll go.
Too big.
It's supposed to be like totally tight though in the inside.
Oh, hold it.
Oh my god.
Maybe it's too windy.
Go against the wind.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my god. This is not a good idea.
There you go.
Don't let it go.
I don't know.
Just
Might be too
Put it out in the
windy.
snow.
Is it too windy?
Oh God, someone's gonna.
Okay, okay. Okay, no. No. Just put it out. Just put it out.
Put it.
I think it's too windy, man.
It is too windy. Just if it gets caught somewhere.
There it goes. There it goes. It'll go.
Oh my god, that was weird.
Just something up.
It catches itself on fire in the
There
air.
it goes. There it goes.
Bye bye.
Wow, it's going pretty fast now.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
All of a
This
sudden
is
you
like
watch
a
it
bad
catch
idea.
Fire, the whole thing catches fire.
Well, the good thing is there's lots of snow on the ground.
Well, the good thing is it's not over here if it burns up.
It won't be our
Wow,
house.
look at it. It's going nuts.
I wonder how many people are looking up right now saying, look at that UFO!
Come on, stay
It's a
out
little
there.
windy.
Okay, well, it's gone now, so.